Make a factor tree for 72. Well, in order to make a factor tree, you're going to write out your number nice and big, and then you're going to think of any two numbers that are not 1 and itself that multiply out to 72. What two numbers multiply out to 72? Well, how about 9 and how about 8? Now, if your numbers are prime, circle them. Neither of these numbers are prime because I can divide you by 3. Now, what two numbers other than 1 and 9 multiply out to 9? Well, how about 3 and 3? Now, if any of those numbers are prime, circle them. Well, 3 is prime because the only way you can divide out 3 is by 1 and itself, which means that 3 is also prime. Now that this side is all circled and done and all the branches are complete, we go to the 8 over here that we didn't finish. Now think of two numbers that multiply out to 8 that's not 1 and itself. Now how about 4 and 2? Are any of these numbers prime? Yes, 2 is prime because I can only divide 2 by 1 in itself. Is 4 prime? No, because I can do 2 times 2 equals 4. Remember, you don't want to do 1 times 4, that's a waste. So, are these prime? Well, I already know that they're both prime because they're both 2. So now that our branches are done and circled to complete them, we know that our factor tree is done. And what this means is 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 is going to equal out 72.